Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salmon on the stove. First, let's get our salmon ready. Pat your fillets completely dry with paper towels. This is key for crispy skin. Next, season both sides generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and your favorite herbs. Finally, place a heavy-bottomed skillet, such as cast iron, on your stove and preheat it over medium-high heat. Now for the searing. Once your skillet is hot, add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed oil. Carefully place your salmon fillets, skin side down, into the hot pan. Cook them for approximately 4 to 6 minutes on this side. As they cook, gently press down on the fillets with a spatula to ensure the entire skin makes even contact with the pan, promoting maximum crispiness. After the skin is beautifully crispy and golden, it's time to flip. Carefully turn each salmon fillet over and continue cooking for another 2 to 4 minutes, depending on thickness and your desired doneness. For a perfectly cooked piece, the internal temperature should reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll know it's ready when the flesh easily flakes apart with a fork. Once your salmon is cooked to perfection, remove it from the pan and place it on a plate or cutting board. It's crucial to let it rest for about 5 minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the fillet, ensuring every bite is incredibly moist and flavorful. Then, serve your delicious pan-seared salmon immediately with your favorite side dishes, like roasted vegetables or a fresh salad. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.